people, so I thought I would get up today and do a little clean with me video, or at least a day in the life, how I get through a day on the weekend, I don't know. But it's been a while since I did a cleaning video, but basically the house, what was that though, son? The lighting though. But gonna see what I can get done today. Have my earpiece on so I could jam. Alright, cleaning the kids' bathroom time. Because we all know how that works, right? You know, it's ironic. Typically, I start in the kids' bathroom when I'm doing my cleaning videos or I'm doing a general cleaning. I don't know why. Let me know in the comment section below. Where do you guys start when you do your cleaning or your cleaning with me's or your general cleaning? I don't know. I guess for me, the bathroom is like the first thing that is in the living room area. So it's almost like the first thing you see. So I guess that's one of the reasons why I gravitate towards it first. See me dancing around, that is because I have my earbuds in, so I was jamming while I was doing it, which is a wonderful way to pass the time when you're doing any type of cleaning in the house. I actually hauled this in one of my Dollar Tree hauls with this toiletable cleaner and freshener, and I like putting this in the kids' bathroom because I like to see that blue effect in the toilet. I mean, that's just giving me some freshness. I don't know, it's ironic, but I like to see it. So the one good thing about cleaning this bathroom is it really only takes me about, I would say, less than 10 minutes to clean. Because I kind of touched up this bathroom like throughout the week occasionally. It's like I'm just not that type of person that can sit back and wait for my house to get all cluttered to go and do a cleaning, which is probably why my cleaning videos are so scarce. But I do clean, like, I would say daily, like touching up. So when I do get to give this bathroom like a general cleaning like today, which typically for me it'll be like every other week, that's only because daily I go through and wipe down the sink and the toilet with the wipes, and I do that in both bathrooms. Like, that's one of my pet peeves. I do not like to see a dirty sink. I do not like to see hair all over the floor, and I especially don't like to see a dirty glass. So that is my tea on this bathroom. So let me just finish up with the sink and be good in here. Now I thought I'd give you guys a little more angles. Since this is an every other cleaning week, I kind of try to catch up all those places that I typically don't do when I'm just giving it a light cleaning, and that's pretty much dusting off all the hair that kind of sits on white cabinets. If you do have white cabinets, you would know what I'm talking about. This is my first house where we had all white cabinets, cupboards, or whatever, however you call it in your language. I mean, I don't have a different language, but I do have what we call patois, and we call these cupboards. So if you do have white, you'll know what I'm talking about when you see the amount of dust that sits on it. Like, it's something else. And then the amount of toothpaste that kind of drips down when your kids are doing those fantastic toothbrushing skills all over the sink, the cupboards. Like, really, how do they miss the sink, right? Okay, so I'm getting a little sweaty, but you know it's a clean with me. So now I need to say I have to refill their soap dispenser, and I typically try to get mine in the gallon. So found mine at Sam's. No, I'm sorry, found mine at BJ, 2 in the pack. I believe I paid $10, and it's ironic right now, obviously with the whole pandemic. Hand soap is kind of hard to find. So if you can't find them, getting them by, you know, what is this? 2 quarts is a good way to go. Now, I know a lot of people, they looking for antibacterial, which you're supposed to have because it fights off all the germs and all that stuff. And normally, if it don't say antibacterial on the bottle, people kind of stray away from it. But what you feel, or what some people fail to understand, is you still need something to wash your hands. And it says right there, wash away bacteria, but you could imagine how much of these were on the shelf just because it didn't say antibacterial. Like sometimes I feel out of fear people lack common sense, if I can say, but what do I know? Time to refill. People hot. So changing out their hand towel. Now this is one of the things that I change out daily to every other day because it kind of minimized the use of paper towels, especially now that there is such a shortage on it. I do have this in both bathrooms, and then I have one similar to this in the kitchen that I got from the Dollar Tree. And again, it minimized the use of paper towels. It's only us in the house using it, so just a little, quick little tip. If you can't find paper towel or running low on paper towel, use your hand towels and just wash them frequently. I mean, it's not the same concept as a wearable mask. You get it so that you can wash it and reuse it so you don't have to keep on throwing a disposable one away. Same thing with a paper towel. If you can't find any, or if you're low on stock, use your hand towels, your material hand towel, wash them and reuse them again. Okay, so the kids' bathroom is clean. And one other thing I forgot to show you, there was a newly addition. We put this little towel rack on there, and I got these two sets a little before maybe God's birthday party, and it basically just say wash your hands and say your prayers because Jesus and germs are everywhere. I just thought that would have been so funny, and I bought the set, so we add that there. And then these were the two new rugs that I added since the last bathroom reveal, but so far it's clean. On to the next project. So my battery died, so I had to put that on charge right there. The one thing I didn't show you guys before, which I thought I did, my entryway table, like how I designed and laid it out. Like I was supposed to do a video on it, never really got around to it, but just doing a little quick thing right there because I got to dust this off. But the lamp I actually got from Hobby Lobby when they had their sale. It was actually for $79.99 and I got it for $19.99. So fun still. Well, a good bargain. The books I had on my coffee table and I just moved in here, and this was something I also got from Hobby Lobby what I need to dust. And I think I got that for like $1.99. What's the price on it? Yep, $1.99 from $7.99. And then as you can see back there, that is our little what do you call it? The reflected light. It reflects a bunch of different colors. We kind of put in the lamp when we have like our Just Dance night to kind of set the mood. Family fun night. And then the vase I've always had there, and these are the little gold sprigs that I had in the Christmas tree that I took from that and put it in there. But that's pretty much it. And then as of COVID-19, our little sanitizer bottle right there. Carlton, baby. It's so funny because my husband always laughs at me because I'm always breaking out in some type of song and dance. Sometimes not at the best moments, but if you do something similar, let me know because sometimes that's just life, right? So if you remember, I hauled this a few weeks back, and I finally found some more in the Dollar Tree, but it's these Fab fabric refresher. So since I can't find an Elasto, I'm going to freshen my couch. And normally I just either spray some alcohol and let that kind of do the disinfectant in between me Febrezing it, or I can't even say Febreze, Fab refreshing it, okay? So this setup seemed a little familiar to you because typically I like to film down here so you get a good background. now I'm just going to probably get started in the kitchen. Or I might just run the vacuum in the kids' room just because I already have the vacuum out. But the next thing to do is the kitchen. So what would we have on our agenda for tonight? And it's so funny after doing all that vacuuming. Look what we got going on tonight. It probably would have been better to vacuum and clean the living room tomorrow, being that it's probably going to get junked up tonight, but oh well. So I ended up losing some of my video footage of me cleaning in the earlier stages of the kitchen. That was just me washing the dishes and whatnot. Don't really know what happened to it. Just went to upload it and poof, it was gone just like that. Like, I don't know what happened, but it's still cleaning with me in the kitchen, so that's where we're at right now. So this one here I got from the Dollar Tree, and this is what I've been talking about. Like the one in the kids' bathroom is I use kitchen hand towels to minimize the use of paper towels. And you can find something like this at the Dollar Tree, and it hangs onto any cabinet, door, or wherever you can find a space to. To know how I did my nails, I did another manicure set with the Kiss gel nails this time, and this is how it came out. I used like a light pink. I had these on now for like 6 days, and if you could see through this whole video, I wasn't wearing any gloves, and I was using chemicals, water, soap, the whole 9, and they're still on, people. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it in its new way of filming. I'm trying to do my cleaning videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Like I said, it takes a lot for me to do a cleaning video because I'm constantly cleaning my house throughout the week, so that's why it's a little scarce on my channel. I do it. It's just that, you know, I'm not going to bust out the camera every day to film clean with me, because that's literally how I clean. Anyway, I will catch you guys next week in another video, and don't forget to subscribe and like it, guys. Show me the love. I'll see you next week. Bye.